Good morning, my dear students. Now, yesterday you studied how to solve, otherwise how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by completing square method. Now we want to discuss some more problems in here. 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Look at it. Now 2x square plus 3x equal to minus 5 transferred to that side, it is 5. What do you remember the step? Then make it x square. Now already in the previous classes you studied it, and the coefficient of x square is 1. So divided by 2 you get x square plus 3x by 2 equal to 5. Then you remember half of this number is 3 by 2 by 2 equal to 3 by 4. 3 divided by 2 is 3 divided by 2 is 4. Half of that number then square x. 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. You remember the step? So the coefficient of x is 3 by 2, divided by 2 is 3 by 4, squaring you get 9 by 16. And that 9 by 16 left side and right side is x square plus 3x by 2 plus 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 2 plus 9 by 16. It's completed. Now the roots of x square is x. Root of 9 by 16 is 3 by 4. So x plus 3 by 4 also root of this and root of this equal to, you add this. Better you cross multiply it. Now 16 into 5 80 plus 9 into 2 18 divided by, this is 30. That's equal to 98 divided by 32. If you divide it by 2, you get 49 divided by 16. Once again, by this way you get 18 plus 18 divided by 2 into 16, 30. That is 98 divided by 32. If you cancel it or divide it by 2, you get 49 by 16. So, x plus 3 by 4 whole square equal to 49 divided by 16. Is the steps completed? Now, x plus 3 by 4 is root of that 49 by 16 is plus or minus. Roots 49 is 7, root 16 is equal to 4. Plus or minus 7 by 4. Now, one value x plus 3 by 4 equal to 7 by 4. X is equal to 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. That's equal to 1. Is it clear? Second value, x plus 3 by 4, another root is minus 7 by 4. X is equal to minus 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Is it clear? That is minus 10 divided by 4. If you divide it by 2, you get 5 divided by 2. That is minus 5 by 2. It's clear. So comparatively the problem is larger than the previous problem. Because this one is not x square, it is 2x square. Get the idea? Remember the steps? Once again, come on. Better you write the program also now. Come on. Right, so second question. 2x square plus 7x minus 9 equal to 0. This is a given quadratic equation. We want to find the roots of the equation by completing square method. Are you ready? First step, 2x square plus 7x equal to 9. Minus 9 transfer to that side. Now make it x square. This will be divided by 2, you get x square, then 7 by 2x equal to 9. Is it clear? Then remember the step, half of this 7 by 2 is 7 by 4 and square it, you get 49 divided by 16. 7 by 2 is 7 by 4, square is 49 by 16, and it on left side and right side. So, x square plus 7x by 2 plus 49 by 16 equal to 9 by 2 plus 49 by 16. 49 by 16 added in left side and both sides. Is it completed? First step, then make it x square, then divided by 2 and square it. Now the root of x square is x. Root of 49 by 16 is 7 by 4. And when it is first equal to, you know how to add it? There are two ways. One of them, make the denominator same. Make the denominator same means if it is 16 and this is 2. So multiplied by 8, you get 8 into 9, 72, 8 into 2, 16 plus 49 by 16. 8 multiplied by both numerator and denominator, you get 8 into 9, 72, 8 into 2, 16 plus 49 by 6. So the denominators are same. You add it, you get 121 divided by 16. Good. Another way, you multiply, crossly multiply that divided by 2, then also you get the same answer, 121 by 16. Is it over? So the denominator, make it to 16, you get multiplied by 8, denominator and numerator, that's it. Then add it. Is it completed? So next step is x plus 7 by 4 equal to root of this one. Root 121 is 11 and root 16 is 4. Already you studied that. So the steps, x plus 7 by 4 equal to 11 by 4 is one answer. X is equal to 11 by 4 minus 7 by 4 is 4 by 4. That's equal to 1. One of the answer. Are you ready? Then another answer is x plus 7 by 4 is negative 11 by 4. 7 by 4 transferred to that side, it is minus 11 by 4 minus 7 by 4 is minus 18 divided by 4. See it? Divided by 2, you get minus 9 by 2. One of the answer is 1, other answer is minus 9 by 2. Is it clear? Now, watch this class again and do the same program again. I will give you home assignments later. Okay?